Hello everyone, welcome to my vlog. So today I am heading to Georgia for my Tamil film shoot and mama is preparing some amazing puriya methi ki sabji for me so that I'll not eat out. Hello everyone, so welcome to my vlog and today I'm heading to Georgia with a stop in Delhi. और मैं दिल्ली गई थी, मम्मा से मिली, पापा से मिली. Now I'm back to airport and we will be arriving a day early for trials and prep. So I can't wait to get started. So before diving into something else, I'm feeling really hungry. So let's go and explore some options, some healthy ones. Let's go. So now I have come to Business Lounge and I must say like Delhi has a wonderful business lounge with an incredible atmosphere, ambience and best of all I would say great food. Yeah, I just love their food and overall if I have to give them rating then I would love to rate it 9 out of 10. And yes, this time they were serving us beetroot shots, karela shots, lauki shots which I enjoyed a lot. So yeah, overall good experience. So here we have ordered some dosa, sambar, idli and chole kulche. Yum yum yum. So Saurabh is having his favorite breakfast and now he's gonna share the recipe of this. Saurabh, go ahead.
So granola is there, muesli is there, sunflower seed is there, थोड़ा सा टेस्ट के लिए चोकोस डाला है और दूध मिल्क.
मतलब तुम खाने के ब्रेकफास्ट के बीच में ये सब कैसे खा सकते हो? अभी you just had your सांबर इडली and now you're having this.
भाई ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, अपने व्यूअर्स को ये मत बता कि मैं बहुत सारा खा रहा हूँ. पायल डोसा लेके आई, पायल कुलचे छोले लेके आई और मैं लेके आया था सिर्फ ये.
But you tasted everything.
भाई दिल्ली से हूँ, खाऊंगा तो है ही, टेस्ट तो करूँगा ही.
Okay, enjoy.
सो पायल 2 डोसे एक साथ खा रही है, आप देख सकते हो.
That's a lie.
एक डोसा पहले ख़त्म कर दिया, ये देख सकते हो.
I've ordered one for you and one for myself and now you denied that I'm not going to have it. बस
पायल
नाम मेरे पे आ रहा है.
पायल तुम्हारी डाइटिंग तो अच्छी चल रही है. डोसा एंड डाइटिंग.
Whenever I'm traveling, I'm not on diet. So,
टुमारो यू गोइंग टू शूट राइट?
day after tomorrow.
डे आफ्टर टुमारो. एंड यू आर हैविंग डोसाज टुमारो.
The dosa is very healthy.
नो डोसाज
It's
टुडे.
fermented.
यू आर हैविंग डोसाज टुडे, नॉट टुमारो.
I'm not going to have anything in flight. That's for sure. Except nuts and some coffee.
तो ये ना मैं आपको फ्लाइट में भी दिखाऊंगा क्योंकि ये शायद अपने ब्लॉग में डालेगी नहीं या नहीं डालेगी कि ये फ्लाइट में क्या खा रही है. बहुत चला के ये अपने ब्लॉग में दिखाएगी नहीं आपको. आपको कैसे पता चलेगा कि मैं नहीं खा रही? बताओ भाई. भाई बहुत खाती है, जैसे ही ट्रैवल करते हैं हर जगह से. पहले गई वहाँ पे जाती जूस का,
My metabolism is really good.
पहले जूस पिया पहले,
हाँ.
फिर उसके बाद कुलचे छोले टेस्ट करे,
Just taste it. One bite.
ऑमलेट खाया, कुलचे छोले टेस्ट करे, देन उसके बाद
That was all protein source.
उसके बाद ये वाला डोसा खाया, इडली की बाइट खाई, वड़े की बाइट
I'll tell
खाई.
you one thing. I'll tell you one thing.
वेट लेट मी टेल यू व्हाई यू इंटरप्टिंग इन माय कन्वर्सेशन. सो उसके बाद इस लड़की ने क्या करा, जो मेरी मील थी इसने वो भी खाई, टेस्ट किया ना. उसके बाद आ चुके हैं 2 डोसे. 100 चूहे खा के बिल्ली जॉर्जिया चली.
So now I have come here to order some fresh lime soda. That's not for me. That's for Saurabh. How's it? Nice? Like the taste?
Very nice, thank you.
Now we are done with our meal and relaxed a bit, feeling good. So now we are heading towards the gate. Let's go. Thank you so much. What's your name?
Yogesh.
Okay, Yogesh. Thank you. As you guys can see, Saurabh is throwing so much of, tantrums and attitude at airport. But anyway, here we go. कौन खा रहा है अब पता चलेगा कि तुम खा रहे हो या फिर मैं खा रही हूँ. You said ना कि I'm going to eat twice. You're done?
Thank you.
So we have reached to Kazakhstan.
Almaty. Almaty is the name of the airport. We are at Almaty and we're going to Business Lounge.
Are you hungry?
What?
By any chance?
Let's see if there will be any options.
Since morning we are just hustling. Please call. Smells crazy. Chalo, let's have pasta now. Believe me, the pasta I had at Almaty's lounge was the best I have ever tasted. It's super yum. See, it's looking so delicious. I love it. So this is my first visit to Georgia. I'm coming here for the very first time. It's quite cold over here, and as you know, I cannot bear cold. It's too much cold for me. So I've stolen this Saurabh's jacket and I'm wearing it. It's just like a quilt on my body, so I'm feeling really warm within. So yeah, I'm very excited here, and from tomorrow onwards we'll start shooting. So I think by evening, director gonna call me and we're gonna sit on the script, on narration again. And I'm very excited for tomorrow, just because after a very long time I'm gonna shoot in Tamil language. This language is of course very difficult for me. There's a language barrier, but still I'll try to cope up with that, just because I love performing in different languages. So Telugu I'm quite familiar with, but Tamil is like Solange, Sapadiya, Ipudi irukkinge, Nalla irukku. So I know few here and there, but still I want to learn more. With each passing day, I want to learn more and more from people, from different people. You know why I love my profession? Because every day I get to meet a lot of new people. So meet Leila. Hi Leila. So she is a line producer here in Georgia, and she is managing everything for our film. So thank you, Leila. And yeah, we came inside this hotel, and now we're gonna check our rooms because I am very particular about my room. So here we go. Requirement was that we'll get 2 rooms so that in one room we can get the hair and makeup done, and another one we can stay. Yeah, it's fine.
व्यू तुम्हें वो वाला नहीं मिलेगा, बट इट्स ओके.
Yeah, we got the one. So finally hunt is over and I have got my room in this hotel, and I told my producer, like, you know, I'll prefer 2 rooms just because in one room I can get ready easily till the time they'll call me on the sets, and in another one I can take rest. So everything is sorted and I'm gonna shift my room now. So guys, please comment down like how I'm looking today in this vlog, because someone is there who is not appreciating me. कोई मेरी तारीफ नहीं कर रहा है कि मैं कैसी लग रही हूँ. तो प्लीज़ आप लोग comment करके बताओ.
You're talking about me, right?
Please guys, please you have to comment down and let me know like how I'm looking today.
No, she's looking very good because she's wearing my jacket. This jacket belongs to me.
सबको पता है, मैंने बता दिया already. So finally we have changed the hotel and we have come to Wyndham Grand, which is not so far from the shooting location. And yeah, I'll be staying here up till 9th of December. So looking forward. Lots of love to everyone and do subscribe the channel. Bye bye.